Dear students, very good morning. In this video, I'm going to explain Karl Pearson correlation coefficient. So, in this model, you will be given the observations for two variables x comma y. As we know that correlation coefficient is used to know the degree and direction of the relationship between two or more variables. And as we know that this correlation may be simple correlation or multiple correlation. In this example, the data is given for x comma y, therefore this method is coming under simple correlation analysis. Now as we know that the Karl Pearson correlation coefficient is calculated by a formula. So I'm writing that we know that Karl Pearson correlation coefficient is calculated by R or gamma is equivalent to summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar whole divided by square root of summation of x minus x bar whole square into summation of y minus y bar whole square. Okay, so in this x comma y are nothing but the values for x and values for y, whereas x bar is nothing but the mean for x values. So x bar is calculated by summation of x divided by n. This means sum of all x values divided by number of observations in x. Similarly, y bar is nothing but sum of y values divided by n. Okay. Now, mean for x is calculated by sum of x values by n. So if you add all x values, you will get 420 divided by number of observations are nothing but 7. If you count the number of observations under x, it is 7. So 420 by 7 is equal to 60. Similarly, for y bar is equal to summation of y by sum of all y values divided by number of observations. So if you add all y values, you will get 147 by 7, which is equal to 21. Now our target is we need to find x minus x bar, y minus y bar and their product, and also x minus x bar whole square and y minus y bar whole square. So in the next column, I am going to calculate x minus x bar and y minus y bar. After that I will multiply x minus x bar and y minus y bar. Those I require. After that I require x minus x bar whole square as per my formula, and I require y minus y bar whole square as per my formula. Okay. Now I have done x minus x bar. X minus x bar means from all these x values I need to subtract my x bar, that is 60. So 52 minus 60 I will get minus 8, 70 minus 60 I will get 10, 15 minus 60 I get minus 45, 55 minus 60 minus 5, 60 minus 60 0, 82 minus 60 22, 86 minus 60 26. Similarly, I need to go for y, or we need to subtract y bar from all these y values. This means my y bar is 21, therefore 12 minus 21, this is equivalent to minus 9. So similarly, 12 minus 21 minus 9, 14 minus 21 I got minus 7, 16 minus 21 minus 5, 18 minus 21 minus 3, 30 minus 21 9, and so on. Now as per my formula, now I need to multiply x minus x bar values with corresponding y minus y bar values. This means minus 8 into minus 9, minus into minus plus 8 9 72, 10 into minus 7 it is minus 70, minus 45 into minus into minus plus, So 45 into 5, I will get 225. Minus into minus plus, 5 into 3, 15. 0 into 9, 0. And 22 into 14, 308. And 26 into 1, 26. Now our requirement is x minus x bar whole square and y minus y bar whole square. This means all these x minus x bar values we need to go for square. This means minus 8 square, 64, 10 square, 100, minus 45 square. Minus 45 square means minus into minus plus, 45 into 45. You can use calculator. That is 2025. Minus 5 square, 25. 0 square, 0. Next 22 into 22 square means 22 into 22, 484. And 26 into 26, it will give you 676. Similarly, y minus y bar square we require. So minus 9 square, 81. Minus 7 square, 49. Minus 5 square, 25. Minus 3 square, 9. 9 square, 81. Next 14 square, 196. And 1 square means 1. Now our target is, as per this formula, we want summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar. This means we need to add all these values to get summation. Similarly, we need to add all these x minus x bar whole square values to get summation of this. Similarly for y minus y bar whole square. So sum of all x minus x bar into y minus y bar. So sum of all these values, I got 576. Now sum of all these values, I got 3374. And sum of all these y minus y bar whole square values are 442. Now let's substitute all these values in this formula. Therefore, the correlation coefficient gamma is equivalent to x minus x bar into y minus y bar is 576 divided by square root of, so this is 3374, x minus x bar whole square is 3374 into y minus y bar whole square is 442. Now this implies 576 divided by, now what you can do is you can take calculator and take square root of 3374 and square root of 442. So if you take square root of 3374 in the calculator, it is 58.08. If you take square root of 442 in the calculator, it is 21.02. Now this implies 576 divided by, now you multiply this 58.08 and 21.02. It is 1200 and it is 12. If you multiply these two, we will get 1220.8. Okay, this implies 5. Now in the calculator take 576 divided by 1220.8. This is 0.47. Okay, so this means the correlation coefficient between these x comma y values is 0.47. So we can check whether our answer is right or wrong. As we know that the range for correlation coefficient is always from -1 to +1, and we got 0.47. So this is in between 0.47. Therefore our conclusion is 0.47 is a positive value. Therefore there existed a positive correlation between x comma y values. And second thing is 0.47 is nearby 0.5. Therefore there existed moderate correlation between the values of x comma y. So that's it. Thank you.